Have you ever wondered why some parts of society seem to stay the same for generations, while others shift and evolve right before our eyes? It is fascinating to observe how deeply rooted patterns of behavior and organization manage to persist or transform. Social institutions adapt to change by reconfiguring their established norms, values, roles, and structures over time. This process is rarely quick or simple, often involving a complex interplay of internal pressures and external forces that gradually reshape their form and function. The underlying mechanisms of this adaptation stem from both internal and external pressures. Internally, demographic shifts, technological innovations, and evolving cultural values within a society can force institutions to adjust. For example, changing family structures may prompt educational institutions to adapt their support systems. Externally, factors like globalization, economic crises, or environmental challenges demand responses from institutions across the board. From a structural functionalist perspective, institutions adapt to maintain societal equilibrium, while conflict theory suggests adaptation often arises from power struggles and the demands of marginalized groups. To observe this adaptation, you can look for concrete shifts in an institution's operating rules and accepted behaviors. For instance, consider how educational institutions have integrated online learning technologies, or how legal systems have reformed in response to new social understandings of justice. These changes representing attempts to maintain relevance and effectiveness in a changing world, often through incremental adjustments to established practices. Sociologists often note the concept of institutional isomorphism, which describes how institutions operating in the same environment can become more similar over time, especially when facing common pressures. We also see what is called punctuated equilibrium, where long periods of stability are suddenly interrupted by rapid, significant changes. This explains why some adaptations appear gradual, while others seem to happen all at once. Understanding how social institutions adapt provides us with a powerful lens through which to analyze societal resilience and transformation. It helps us to predict patterns of social stability and disruption, illuminating the long-term trends that shape our communities and the world around us.